5 साल सर्विस करके आज हम लोग सड़क पर हैं। एक ही डिमांड है कि हमें हमारा जॉब वापस दे दीजिए।
25,000 teachers and non-teaching staff took to the streets after losing their jobs following a Supreme Court order in one of the biggest recruitment scam cases.
एक कलंक दे करके मेरे को बोला जा रहा है कि अयोग्य और तुम जाओ, हमें प्रूफ करो, मेरे पास सारा दस्तावेज, हमने किसी को कोई पैसे कोई घूस नहीं दिया है।
The scam allegedly involved forged mark sheets, manipulated merit lists and the appointment of ineligible candidates.
সবাইকে চোর বলে দিচ্ছেন, সবাইকে অযোগ্য বলে দিচ্ছেন, এই বলবার অধিকার আপনাদের দিল কে?
Here's what happened in West Bengal. In 2014, the West Bengal School Service Commission announced the state-level selection test to recruit teachers and staff for state-run and government-aided schools. 2 years later, the recruitment process began with over 23 lakh candidates appearing for the exam for 24,640 vacant posts. However, after the results were announced in 2018, more than 25,700 appointment letters were issued by the authorities, which was more than the number of available positions, raising concerns about the fairness of the recruitment process. Starting in February 2019, candidates began protesting for justice. Over 200 of them alleged they had passed the exam but never received appointment letters. The recruitment was challenged in the Calcutta High Court. Many candidates filed petitions alleging that some candidates who scored lower than them were selected. Others said that people who were not on the merit list had also received job offers.
लोगों का एक सपना होता है कि वो अपने फ्यूचर में क्या होना चाहते हैं, तो हम टीचर बनना चाहते हैं, लेकिन इस राज्य में जो टीचर का भविष्य है उसको ही खत्म कर दिए।
One of the petitioners alleged corruption, saying that jobs were sold for money. The petitioners also said that 269 candidates were given extra marks. 3 years later, in November 2021, Justice Abhijit Gangopadhyay ordered an investigation by the CBI into the alleged irregularities in the recruitment process and dismissal of the 269 people who were recruited.
ভয় পায় ওরা, যদি 25,000 টিচার স্কুলে গিয়ে না পড়াতে পারে তাহলে এরা ইঞ্জিনিয়ার তৈরি করবে কারা, ডাক্তার তৈরি করবে কারা?
The CBI inquiry revealed that the recruitment process had been compromised. As per the agency, candidates allegedly paid bribes ranging from 5 lakh to 15 lakh rupees to secure teaching and non-teaching positions. They added that more than 100 crore rupees was allegedly raised by Trinamool Congress leaders from job aspirants to employ them as teachers and staff at state-run schools across West Bengal between 2014 and 2021. The investigation also revealed mismatches between optical mark recognition sheets, that is OMR sheets, and the scores recorded by the West Bengal School Service Commission. In some cases, it was found that the appointments that had been given to persons who had submitted blank OMR sheets. The CBI also filed charges against officials of the West Bengal Central School Service Commission for allegedly appointing unqualified candidates after the official panel expired. After a series of legal petitions and based on the evidence, in April 2024, the Calcutta High Court cancelled the 2016 recruitment of over 25,700 teaching and non-teaching staff, calling the recruitment process fraudulent and manipulated.
We are teachers. Why? Where are our futures? We have kids. We have families. By the 7 years we are doing हमारा mental state नहीं है कि हम फिर से re-exam दे पाएंगे.
Once again, petitions were filed, this time in the Supreme Court against the High Court verdict, including one by the West Bengal government.
আমি সরাসরি চ্যালেঞ্জ করছি, আর এই রায়ের পেছনে কিছু খেলা তো নেই।
In May 2024, the Supreme Court of India intervened in the matter, staying the Calcutta High Court's decision to cancel the appointments. And the following year, on 11th April 2025, the Supreme Court upheld that ruling, saying, regarding the finding of the case, the entire selection process is vitiated by manipulation and fraud, and credibility and legitimacy is denuded. No reason to interfere, tainted candidates must be terminated. As a result of the court rulings, thousands of teachers and staff who had received appointment letters began to protest across West Bengal, initiated hunger strikes and demanded the publication of their OMR sheets. The SSC had given the School Education Department a list of tainted and untainted. Based on this list, the department was expected to issue an order to separate them, after which eligible candidates would receive their pending salaries.
ये जो 700-800 करोड़ का घोटाला, टीचर रिक्रूटमेंट स्कैम, ये फर्जी और नकली इनको सेव करने के लिए जेन्युइन टीचर नॉन टीचिंग को ये ममता बनर्जी की सरकार कोतल कर दिया है।
In response to the outrage, the Supreme Court allowed untainted teachers to continue until fresh recruitment ends and the CBI to continue its investigation. The Supreme Court asked the state to submit a report by 31st May 2025 with a full plan for the new recruitment process, which must be completed by 31st December 2025. The court said that if it finds their appointments were illegal, the teachers and staff whose jobs were cancelled by the High Court will have to return the salaries and benefits they received.
আমার অনুরোধ, যারা চাকরি দিতে পারবেন না তারা যেন চাকরি কেড়ে না নেন, এটা নিশ্চিন্ত করবার জন্য যা করার এডুকেশন ডিপার্টমেন্ট করবে।